ClubExpress Classified Ads. The Classified Ads module allows members to post ads on the website for items they either have to sell or want. Ads can be viewed by other members or by non-members depending on whether the module is made visible on the public side of the website. Ads can be organized into categories and can include full item descriptions, location, and condition information. Classified Ads has three components: the public side, where the ads are displayed, the member profile screens, where members manage their own ads, and the standard module administration screens, where the admins manage all ads and configure the module. The system can be configured so that clubs can optionally charge a fee to post and renew a classified ad. Ads can include one or more photos to display the item. Ads can be renewed a defined number of times, and ads may require approval before they're posted. Note that this is an optional module and has a one-time activation fee of $200. Please contact ClubExpress to add it to your website. Let's look at the public side of classified ads. To view the classified ads, a link is put on the menu. When selected, the classified ad screen is displayed. A small search panel at the top allows users to filter the ad list by category and keyword. There's also a button to review the club's policies regarding classified ads posted by members. Each ad is shown with a photo, title, description, pricing, and the name of the member who posted the ad. Click the photo or the prompt under the photo to display a pop-up screen showing one or more photos of the item for sale. If multiple photos are available, the pop-up display will switch into a slideshow mode after a couple of seconds to scroll through all of the available images. When users hover over an image, icons appear, allowing them to pause and resume the slideshow. Click the View More icon to view more detailed information, including how to contact the ad poster. Now let's look at the member profile. When the Classified Ads module is enabled, members generally manage their own ads. We're currently logged onto one of our demo clubs as a regular member. Later, we'll log in as an administrator to see the additional options. So we go to our profile screen and click on Classified Ads. This screen lists the ads posted by this member, sorted by expiration date and title. You can use the search panel to filter the ads shown in different ways. Searching by title will find the value anywhere in the field. Buttons at the top allow members to create a new ad, and there's a button to view the club's classified ad policy. Each item in the list has its status and also displays maintenance options and screens that support each status value. Draft means the ad is being created but has not yet been finalized or submitted for approval or payment. Submitted means the ad has been submitted to the club for review and approval. Approved pending payment is where the ad has been approved by the club but cannot be activated until the specified payment is received. Active means the ad is currently showing on the website. Declined means the ad was declined by the club, but it can be edited and resubmitted. Expired is for ads where the posting period has run out so that it's no longer showing on the website. If allowed by the club, it can be renewed. Renewed pending payment means the ad has been renewed, but it cannot be activated until the specified payment is made. And canceled is where the ad has been canceled by an administrator or the member. The Maintain option has several icons that are sensitive to the current status and whether or not the member is an administrator. Click the Edit icon to edit an ad, including its title, description, pricing, etc. Note that for canceled and expired ads, the resulting screen is read-only. The Pictures icon lets you upload one or more pictures to describe the item being advertised. The Delete icon removes the ad completely. Note that this option is only available when the status is draft, submitted, or approved and pending payment. Click the Cancel icon to hide the ad so that it's no longer shown. This icon is only shown for active and renewed and pending payments ads. The Make Payment icon is shown only for ads that require payment before they can be activated. Clicking it takes you to the standard Pending Payments page. And the Renew icon lets you renew this ad. This icon is only shown for active and expired ads that have one or more renewals allowed by club policy. To create a new item, click the Add Classified Ad button. This screen has two panels, one for the required information and the second for optional additional information. First, give the ad a title. Asking price is a free-form text field to allow more than just a currency amount. For example, it could be $1,500 or best offer, or $1,200 to $1,500 depending on options. Select an appropriate category, then select how people should contact you, either by one of your phone numbers in your profile, or by email or free-form text. When you select email address or free-form text, a text box appears to allow you to specify the required information. Status is managed by the system and is shown for information purposes only. And if you're an administrator, a hidden choice can be edited, allowing them to hide or show a classified ad. The description field uses a limited version of the advanced content editor, allowing you to create fully formatted descriptions, including font attributes, alignment, text size, links, bullets and numbering, and indenting. There are several optional text fields for additional information, price notes, item condition, location, and a web address for more information. The buttons at the bottom of the screen will vary depending on the status. For example, when you're creating a new classified ad, click Save as Draft to save the ad with the status of draft. Other buttons depend on the item's current status and how the classified ad items have been configured. Ads can optionally require approval and/or payment. If a submitted ad requires neither approval nor payment, it will immediately become active. If a submitted ad requires approval but not payment, a club admin or module coordinator will be notified by email that an ad has been submitted. If it's approved, it's immediately active and you'll be notified. If it's declined, the status is changed to declined, and you'll also be notified by email, including an explanation of why the ad was declined. If a submitted ad requires payment but not approval, you'll be taken immediately to the payment page to complete the payment. The status becomes approved pending payment until the payment is received. If a submitted ad requires both approval and payment, a club admin or module coordinator will be notified by email that it's been submitted. If it's approved, the status is changed to approved pending payment, and you're notified by email that the ad has been approved and you must log into the payment page to complete the payment. Once the payment is received, the status becomes active. Ads are configured to have a defined posting period, for example, 10 or 30 days. Clubs can also define whether an ad can be renewed and for how many times. Renewals may require another payment. The result list shows the current expiration date for each ad and also how many renewals are left. Click the Pictures icon to add or remove one or more photos from the ad. We just created this ad, so the list is currently empty. Click the Add Photo button to display a screen that lets you select a file from your hard disk and optionally add a title. Click Save to add the photo or Cancel to close the dialog without saving. Now we'll add a second photo, so this will create a photo album. In the list, check Main Photo for one of the uploaded photos to be designated as the photo shown immediately with the ad. You can also click the standard delete icon to remove a photo. Click Return to Previous Page to return to your main classified ads screen. Now let's log in as a site administrator. Administrators and coordinators can manage all classified ad items for the organization. There are two ways to get to the Manager screen. When looking at the main public screen, click the Edit icon in the Page Tools widget, or go to the Control Panel's Club tab and select Classified Ads. The Search panel allows admins to filter the ads in multiple ways. If there are many items, the standard paging controls will be displayed. The search result grid is similar to the one shown for each member on his or her profile screen, with the addition of a member name column on the left. The icons are also the same, and as with the member screen, ad status is fully managed by the system. For a club that requires ad approval, click on the Edit icon for items with the status Submitted. Then, after viewing the submission, scroll to the bottom and click either the Approve or Decline button as appropriate. If you decline an ad, a small pop-up screen appears where you can specify the reasons why the ad was declined. This information is included in the notification email sent to the member. Note, however, that it's not saved anywhere in the system. This ad status will automatically be set to declined. When an ad is approved and no money is due, it immediately becomes active. If money is due, its status is changed to approved pending payment and will become active when the fee has been received. Clicking the Configure button displays a drop-down menu with several options. Select Classified Ad Categories to create and maintain categories used to organize and search the ads. This is a standard ClubExpress category screen. Click Add Category to create a new category. Click the Edit icon to edit a category and optionally deactivate a category permanently or temporarily. A delete icon will appear if there are no ads assigned to a category. Select Configure Classified Ads Policy to define club policies for posting and responding to classified ads. This presents the Advanced Content Editor, allowing you to create fully formatted text, including sections, lists, etc. Please click the Online Help or watch the ClubExpress Advanced Content Editor video for details on how to create content. Select Configure Options to set up how the Classified Ads module behaves for your club or association. If your club charges a fee to the member when creating an ad, set that here. If there is no fee, make sure you set the value to 0. Then set whether renewals are allowed, and if so, set any fee to renew an ad, which can be different from the initial posting fee. If you do not permit renewals, set the maximum renewals number to 0. Select the tax rate to be used if general sales tax is enabled, then select which financial account should be used for classified ad revenue. If QuickBooks is enabled, you can also specify the QuickBooks item name, and set how many days the ad will be active. If ads require approval before becoming active on the website, check this box. You can also set whether members can edit the text of an ad after it has been approved, and you can set the number of renewals allowed. Note that admins can override this value for any given ad. Finally, select the contact person who will receive notifications that the ads require review. This person needs to be either an administrator or a coordinator of the Classified Ads module so that he or she can access these admin screens. Click Save to save your changes or Cancel to return without saving. Now back on the Manager screen. There is a button that lets you choose from several reports. When an administrator or coordinator clicks the Add Classified Ad button, the familiar Ad Edit screen is displayed, but with one additional field called Ad Owner. The admin selects the member and then proceeds to fill out the rest of the form. Any notifications will go to the owner as if the member had entered the data from his or her own profile. So now you've seen how adding the optional classified ads to your website lets your members create and manage their own ads. We've also looked at the administrative tools for configuring and managing all of the ads created. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.